Nothing happens. In complete isolation. A word becomes a thought becomes a decision becomes an action, and an action enters the world. Sometimes the effect is immediate, sometimes it takes years. Sometimes the cause began long before we even arrived. One person's fear becomes another person's wound. One generation's silence becomes the next generation's question. And suddenly, we're carrying consequences from causes we never created. But this law isn't about blame. It's about understanding that everything we do becomes part of what happens next. A boundary changes a relationship, a conversation changes an understanding. One decision changes the direction of an entire life, and we rarely know how far the effect will travel, because every effect can become another cause. One moment creates the conditions for another, then another, then another, until something that began with the smallest movement has traveled further than we could ever see. Maybe that's why awareness matters. Not because we can control every consequence, we can't. But because once we recognize the causes we're creating, we become more conscious of what we're setting in motion.